Prepare the treatment solution. Shake it before use. Pour in 100 milliliters of the treatment solution. Add the same amount of water. Cover the lid and shake. The treatment solution has been prepared. Spray the treatment liquid on the printed surface of the clothes. Spray the printed area moist. The temperature of the heat transfer equipment is set at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. Lay out the clothes and cover them with the Flan heat insulating oilcloth. Make the clothes flatter and easier to color. The ironed clothes are placed on the fixture platform. The side with the treatment solution is facing up. Place the fixture on the platform. Place the fixture 10 centimeters away from the platform, or 4 inches away. Lower the height of the pallet. Click to enter and let the infrared sensor sense the fixture. Click online to let the tray in.